name is Patrick. This video is to tell you about the CET full course that we plan to run online and classroom. Classroom will be at Thane and online. So just a brief details. CET is the MBA CET, which is connected by Maharashtra for colleges like Bajaj, Sidney, etc. So yeah, good colleges are also there, so you can apply for it. So it's usually conducted in March. So technically you have enough time to prepare for the same. Okay. So it's for basically MBA colleges in Maharashtra. Okay. And any affiliated university basically. So if you want to colleges like Bajaj, Sidnem, Wellinger, Pumba, SIS, these are the colleges which are taking up CET as the examination. Now some colleges like Wellinger, etc. has both MMS and PG course. So for MMS, that is a government course, they take up the CET. For PG, they take up other exams like CMAT, etc. Right. So we're looking at this particular course basically to train you for the CET examination. So pattern 200 questions, 200 mark, 1 mark per question. There is no negative mark. So technically you need to answer all the questions. 150 minutes. It's speed-based test. If you look at 200 questions, 150 minutes, that means you have less than a minute to solve a question. Okay. Which means you need to go really fast in the examination if you want to solve. Right. If you look at a breakup, there is approximately content DI 50 questions, reasoning section 75 questions, verbal 50, abstract, that is diagrams, and for the next diagram will come 25 questions. Okay. So there is no section wise time limit. You can move from one section to the next section, that is possible. But yes, total 200 questions, higher weightage for reasoning, logical and verbal reasoning, around 75 questions. And then there is verbal, maths, and abstract. Our whole course structure is broken up into 3 parts: syllabus, revision, and workshop. If you're starting right now, our syllabus will be from December to mid-Jan, okay, is where the syllabus will be conducted, if you look at it. Right? So it will be conducted by live lectures. If you're looking at online, classroom will be conducted at Thane. So videos will be from basic. You'll get a lot of videos to watch and learn from basics to advanced. You will also have a topic test for after every topic. And later we'll have mocks. You'll have enough mocks. You'll have 30 mocks to write, so enough mocks for you to write the whole course. But yeah, stage 1 will be mainly focused on completing the syllabus, which involves live lectures and videos that are provided to you, including topic-wise test. Stage 2 will start from mid-Jan, where we'll do revision of all the concepts, or revision basically, revision lectures. Okay. We'll also look at different shortcut approaches to solve things faster. This will be conducted by Patrick. This will be online mainly. Okay. The CET crash course will be mainly online, and there will be mocks plus help in strategy provided to you. Okay, you'll also have videos that will help you practice these whole concepts. And last stage is workshop, final workshop before the exam, preparing you psychology for the exam, last minute tips, etc., which is provided in the workshop, which is there. Right? Again, conducted by Patrick 3 times. It will be conducted in February end somewhere. Once the crash course or revision is over, that time we will hold the workshops. So approximately 80 hours of live lectures, 500 plus videos will be there. You will have online notes, you will have 30 mock CETs and guidance for mock strategy, etc. So all this will be provided in the course. You will have enough content which is there. We have more than 150 students who graduated from Bajaj in the last 18 to 20 years. And we have quite a few students who scored 99.99 percentile in the CET exam. If you want to enroll, you can go to a link prep.patrick100.com. Contact us on this number 9821314788 or mail us at support@coinacademy.com. Thank you.